Ever wondered how plants eat? Photosynthesis secrets revealed. Plants are like natural solar panels, capturing sunlight to make food. So here's how it unfolds. Their green parts, rich in chlorophyll, absorb the sun's rays. They then use this energy to split water into oxygen and hydrogen. The oxygen, our life source, is released, while hydrogen pairs with carbon dioxide from the air to form sugars. These sugars are plant fuel, feeding their growth and forming the foundation of almost every food chain. It's a stunning natural process. Yet, the true intrigue lies in how this green magic sustains life on Earth. Nature's brilliance, harnessed simply by sunlight.